Welcome to our basic Excel course on navigating the Excel interface. In this video, we will be covering the basic layout and features of the Excel interface to help you become familiar with the software and start working with your data. First, let's take a look at the ribbon. The ribbon is the top toolbar in Excel and it contains all of the commands and tools you need to work with your data. The ribbon is divided into different tabs, such as the Home tab, the Insert tab, and the Data tab. Each tab contains a set of related commands and tools. Next, let's take a look at the worksheet. A worksheet is a single page in Excel where you can enter and organize your data. You can have multiple worksheets in one workbook, and you can navigate between them using the tab at the bottom of the screen. On the right side of the screen, you will see the formula bar. The formula bar displays the contents of the active cell and allows you to enter or edit data or formulas. The name box is located on the left side of the formula bar and displays the name of the selected cell or range of cells. You can also use the name box to navigate to a specific cell or range of cells in your worksheet. Additionally, you can find the status bar at the bottom of the Excel window. It displays important information about your current worksheet, such as the page number, the number of selected cells, and the sum of selected cells. You can also use the zoom slider to change the size of the worksheet on the screen, and the View tab to change the layout of the worksheet. Finally, you can save your workbook by clicking on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar or by going to File greater than Save. That's it for this video on navigating the Excel interface. Now that you know how to use the ribbon, worksheet, formula bar, name box and status bar, you can start working with your data in Excel. Thanks for watching.